Today's video is brought to you by CallRail. They have a voice assist to help answer your calls, and they also have the best way to track your ads. Help your business. Learn more in the link down below.
All right, hola, what is up? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Worx. This is like a full circle moment for me because Worx has sent out one of their newest products. We're going to look at their new circular saw, which I do have to cut some wood and do some stuff for the house, and you know, perfect timing. I can go pick that up from Home Depot, whatever it is, come back, show you how to cut, and the power behind this battery powered circular saw, and also what they're advertising, you know, that it can do and the output, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna look at that right now. Stay tuned. So the reason I say that it's a full circle moment is because I used to use Worx, specifically their pressure washer, which was like the best one on the market. So pretty happy to be working with them right now. So we got batteries in here. Now I saw on the spec sheet that it can work with their 2 amp hour batteries, but the ones that they sent me and that probably come with the package are these 4 amp hours. And these are their PowerShare Pro 20 volt max. You get their dual charger. So that's a cool option there. I've never seen dual chargers like that. Usually it's just one. So we got that, so we can have those charged at all times. So we do have some blades to try out, but this right here is their Worx circular saw. So we'll peel that off right there. This feels just as good or better than some other ones that I've tried. Okay, so I'm not familiar with their newer products, but that is where you put the battery, and it has, I guess that's PowerShare, where you can put 2. So you're able to have 2 batteries on there. Let's see if they're charged. We got half on both. So you can go do some job sites like that. You have that extra power right from the get-go. And with this guy right here, you have 6,000 RPM. It's a brushless motor. Like I said, it's compatible with their 2 amp hour batteries and up. It does have an electric brake, aluminum guards, and you can adjust the depth on it with 15 amps of output power. So this is pretty lightweight, feels good, but what they are claiming is that this is the most powerful cutting you can get under $200. It is available as we speak, so I'll leave the listing down below. You can check out the link, check out their website, and that's in comparison to a 15 amp corded saw. So you get tons of power with this battery PowerShare platform. You do have the rafter hook right here and onboard dust port. So I'm gonna get this all put together. I'm gonna go buy some wood. We're gonna cut through it real quick, kind of showcase how it works. I'll show a little bit more of it up close so you guys can see the saw itself, and then we'll go from there. All right, so we got our blade installed. You just slide that on. There is a lock right here that you hold down. Get all that in place. We got our Allen key 3/16. Tighten that in there. And then release. You do need both batteries to operate this. It is a PowerShare dual battery saw, so when you want to go for it, you can also adjust here if you want to do like a beveled angle. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to a 45 just to demo that. Pretty simple. If you guys need that kind of cut, you can angle it any way you want. All right guys, so that thing cut like butter. I'm gonna use it for all my DIY projects from now on. I love the extra power that you get from the power share. It glided, it went on its own at one point. So very cool. Make sure to check out WORXSAW. This is by Worx. I've used their products before, really enjoyed them. The batteries have always lasted. They're great, powerful. It's always everything that you need. They're great for DIY, but I think they're good enough versus like some other brands that are strictly homeowner specials. I believe this is good in the homeowner setting or also in the professional setting. I think it's that good. You get a 4 amp hour. I think they're pretty compact. A lot of power here. Like I said, this is the 20 volt Pro. So lineup is really good. You can do work stuff, homeowner stuff, DIY stuff. They got you covered. I think this falls right in the middle, but it can be very much a professional kit. If you guys go check them out, like the tools that you see, if they have everything that you need, which I think they do have many variations of different tools, and I've just liked what I've seen so far. So if you need to upgrade your DIY tools at home, if you don't have a tool ecosystem that you're in, check out Worx. If you do have one for work and you need one for DIY, because there's always something that you need to do around the house, check out Worx again, and I'll leave all the information that I can down below. Thanks again to Worx for sending this out for a review. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It is like crazy windy. See you guys.